Good day everyone, I'm Illustrissima Maria Ninyali. I will have discussed about as a distinguished student of labor relations, you have been assigned the vital mission and crafting a captivating 2 minutes video that emphasizes the importance of the 122nd Labor Day celebrations. This influential piece would transform the lives of countless diligent workers who contribute to our nation's progress. As you harness your artistic and innovative abilities at strive to convey and compelling message that touches the hearts of viewers and encourage them to take action. Bear in mind that your video holds the potential to bring about meaningful change. For me as a student of labor relations, you possess a profound understanding of the dynamics between employers and employees as well as the broader socio-economic factors that shape labor relations. Your commitment to studying this field reflects a passion for social justice and a desire to advocate for fair and equitable treatment of workers. Your analytical skills, empathy, and ability to communicate effectively make you have valuable assets in advancing labor rights and shaping policies that promote worker well-being. Your dedication to this discipline demonstrate your potential to make a meaningful impact in improving working conditions and fostering a more just society. Thank you.